Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to search a special channel on YouTube. What you need to do, just go to YouTube and then just type the name of the channel that you are looking for. For example, if I search of my channel digital knowledge step by step, here is the channel. But in case if you don't find the channel, what you need to do, just click here filters, and then you see here type video channel, just click channel. And here is the first one, the channel, and here you will see channel they have similar names and maybe some of them the same names. This is what you need to do if you want to search a channel on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.